support for cement and your rice and other stones also used on the cool stone. The capacity is from 2 tons to 60 tons. Now let's study the dimension. The dimension is we can choose from 2 meters. And the weight is one from 1 meters to 1.5 or 1.8, and the legs also from 1.5 to 2.4 meters, and the height you can choose the 400 and adding another 200. Now the engine power from the 18 horsepower to 28 horsepower. Now all there is diesel engine, so you can not worry about the after sale service is very friendly and quality very well. Now we can see the type, the holder, the safety guard. You can use the rainproof, and this type is more popular on the cold mountain, and this type also very popular in west of Africa. The tower, this is for heavy duty, and this one is for more lightly. This one is from 2 tons for 3 tons, and the heavy duty type is from 5 to 6 tons. Side taper is we can open by from the down to upper, can lifting the other propellers, and this type is for tipping like the rear tipper big trailers. Now this very easily for controlling, and this one is for side open and up and down open. That also up and down open is easily to choose control everything. We can see box. The box there have also 3 types. This second. Now this is